Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Moto Edge 40 supports NFC and that Android is updated. This ensures compatibility and security. Next, go to Settings, Connected Devices, then Connection Preferences and toggle NFC on so the radio is active. Once done, make sure the phone has more than 20% battery and remove any thick or metal cases that can obstruct the coil. This prevents weak reads and speeds pairing. Now you're ready to tap and test the tag. You'll open the app you intend to use: Google Pay for payments, NFC tools for reading and writing, or a smart automation app to trigger actions, because each app exposes different write options. Then place the NFC tag near the phone's center back area and hold it steady. You'll hear a tone or see a prompt when the tag is read. After that, select Write, choose the payload like URL, contact, or a shortcut, and confirm. This saves the data to the tag, so it triggers reliably. You'll test the setup by tapping the tag with your phone. You should get an immediate action or a confirmation dialog, which proves the write succeeded. If you want permanence, lock the tag in the writing app so it can't be altered, but keep a backup before locking because locks are irreversible. If the tag doesn't read, toggle NFC off and on, restart the phone, and retry different tag positions or remove the case. This resolves most coil alignment or software hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.